Three charges are placed at the vertices of an equilateral triangle of side A as shown in the figure. The force experienced by the charge placed at the vertex A in a direction normal to BC is. So three charges are kept at the corners of an equilateral triangle. So here charge A is positive, charge B is negative, and charge C is positive. We have to find the direction of the net force experienced by the charge A. So this charge A is positive. On this charge A, other two charges will exert force. Remember, on which charge we have to find the net force. On that charge only we have to show the force vectors. Here other two charges also will be experiencing force, but we should not show the force vectors on the other charges. So on the required charge, that is on which charge you are asked to find the net force, only on that charge you have to show the force vectors. So on A, B will exert attractive force like this. On A, C will exert a repulsive force like this. So these two forces are equal in magnitude. These two forces are equal in magnitude because the product of the two charges between A and B is same as the product of the charges between A and C. Even the separation between A and B is same as the separation between A and C. So the force magnitudes are same, but directions are different. So this total angle will be 120. 120. When we have two equal forces at an angle of 120 degrees, then the net force or the resultant force will be bisecting the total angle, and the net force will be equal to one of the force magnitudes. So the magnitude of the resultant force will be equal to one of these magnitudes. So if the resultant force bisects the total angle, then this resultant force will be horizontal. It will be leftward. So the resultant force will be horizontal, that is leftward. This horizontal force will not have any component perpendicular to BC. So what is the force acting on A perpendicular to BC? 0, because the net force on A is perfectly horizontal. So it will not have any component at an angle of 90 degrees. So 0 is the correct answer.